Hey, this is Tyler from Lighthouse Contracting Group. We've got these nice Newel posts here, and I was tasked with putting these oak caps on top of here. And a couple ideas were thrown around, one of which was using this nice Lamello biscuit joiner. The Lamello biscuit joiner actually has these nice biscuits that you put in here. They're called tinsos, and they use a clip system. So that way you biscuit the cap, and then you can biscuit the Newel post here, and then essentially these will just clip right on and can be removable if necessary, hopefully not. Yeah, take you through that process here today and show you what I have come up with. So here's my little Lamello station, little biscuit joiner station here. I came up with these jigs, so I figured out the offset of what the Newel post and the cap will be, so that way we can keep the Lamello joiner at the same depth. You don't have to be changing around this depth and then hopefully, guess a millimeter wrong and be suffering the consequence. So this has become super efficient and super accurate, so that way we can do a multitude of these caps and not have to worry about anything being out of alignment or misplaced or anywhere. So I'll take you through that process right now. So we've got our jig here, we've got our oak Newel cap here. I went ahead and labeled all of these and made sure everything was gonna look good. So we're gonna make sure we obviously biscuit the right side. So go ahead and place that in here. Nice tight fit. And then we've got our Lamello biscuit joiner. We're gonna go ahead and place this, slides nice and tight right inside here. And then there's just a little bit of slop there, so we take a little bit of a shimmy here, and a little bit of a shimmy here. Make sure there's no slop in this thing whatsoever, because we want that to be 100% accurate, so that way all the dimensions are nice and tight and right. Take our clamp. This is a little added security. Clamp this bad Larry here. Got our vacuum turned on, got our biscuit joiner here. Get some eye protection, ear protection, good PPE. Caps in there nice and tight. Got left, right, front, and center. Cool. Go ahead and turn this thing on and let it rip. See that there's a nice little groove here. Put these tensos in. Slide right in like that. Nice and tight. Cool. Looks good.